pleasure to welcome you all to Swaraj 2026, our special celebration of India's freedom, unity, culture, and glorious heritage. Today is not merely a school program, it is an opportunity for our children to understand the true meaning of Swaraj. Swaraj means freedom, but freedom also comes with responsibility. The responsibility to respect others, to make right choices, to care for our country, and to become kind and responsible citizens. At Angels Paradise Academy, we believe that education is not limited to books and classrooms. It is also about nurturing values, building confidence, encouraging creativity, and helping every child feel proud of their identity. Through today's performances, our little ones will share stories of courage, patriotism, unity, and love for India. Our children may be young, but the dreams they carry are very big. When we teach them kindness, discipline, equality, and respect, we are shaping the India of tomorrow. Dear parents, your presence makes this occasion even more meaningful. Thank you for your constant trust, cooperation, and encouragement. Every caution prepared, every line practiced, and every effort made at home has contributed to today's celebration. I would also like to express my heartfelt appreciation to our teachers and support staff. Their dedication, creativity, patience, and countless hours of preparation have made Swaraj 2026 possible. A beautiful performance lasts only a few minutes on stage, but behind it are many days of practice, planning, teamwork, and love. As we begin this celebration, let us remember that India's greatest strength lies in its diversity and unity. We may speak different languages and follow different traditions, but we are united by one beautiful identity. We are Indians. May we continue to raise children who are confident in their abilities, compassionate in their hearts, proud of their roots, and committed to building a better future. Once again, on behalf of the entire Angels Paradise Academy family, I warmly welcome you all to Swaraj 2026. Let us celebrate the spirit of freedom, honor the sacrifices of our national heroes, and create beautiful memories together. Thank you and enjoy the program. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. To you.
Thank you, Saili ma'am, for the inspiring words. Swaraj is not just a story of our past. It is a feeling that lives in the heart of every Indian. And what better way to express this feeling than through innocent voices, joyful smiles, and vibrant energy of our little ones. Music has the power to bring people together, and today our young performers are all set to fill the air with the spirit of patriotism. So let us get ready to witness a beautiful musical presentation by our little stars celebrating the pride, unity and spirit of India. Today, Playgroup Morning and Prep One Morning class will present a heartfelt tribute to the remarkable men and women whose contributions have made India a nation of pride. We hope these performances inspire our young learners to dream fearlessly, embrace our rich heritage, and grow into responsible, compassionate, confident citizens of tomorrow. Every auspicious beginning is made more meaningful when we seek the blessings of the Almighty. To commence our celebration, Swaraj celebration, and seek the divine blessings, we now invite our respected Director Ma'am to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp. Let us begin this beautiful celebration with light, hope, and gratitude.
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं and shine brightly in the world. We promise to work harder and make our nation prouder. We are proud to present a delightful musical performance by the talented students of Angels Paradise Academy. Through music and rhythm, our little stars are here to celebrate the spirit of patriotism, unity, and love for our nation. Let us encourage them with a big round of applause as they fill the stage with energy, joy, and pride for India. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you to our little speakers for those wonderful words of encouragement and about our incredible nation. Our little stars are now ready to express their love for the motherland through a vibrant and melodious musical presentation. Get ready to witness the rhythm of patriotism and the spirit of India as our young performers take on the stage. Before they take on the stage, let us hear a few words about the spirit of this musical presentation. I invite our Shama ma'am to kindly come forward and introduce the performance.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today we have gathered to celebrate Independence Day of our beloved nation, India. On this special day, we remember and salute the brave freedom fighters whose courage and sacrifices gave us the gift of freedom. India is a land of unity in diversity, where people of different cultures, languages, and traditions live together with love and respect. Let us always be proud of our country and promise to be kind, responsible, and caring citizens. To celebrate the spirit of our nation, our little stars are ready to present a vibrant patriotic dance mashup featuring songs that reflect India's pride, unity, and joy. Please encourage our young performers with a big round of applause. And the participants are Aryaman Jain, Devang Chakrabarti, Akala Kaul, Naira Deshmukh, Meera Deshmukh, Yashvi Agrawal, Vanika, Vanshika Manchani, Arta Patil, Hemant Nathani, Ekisha Verma, Advika Singh, Swasti Gupta, Shadi Mohite, and Savi Rajiv Bhose.
Parents, I know you want to record the memories, the photos, but please don't lift the camera very high because recording is happening from behind and then it will disturb the flow of the event. Thank you for your cooperation.
ये देश है वीर जवानों, बैलों का मस्तानों का इस देश तैयारों, इस देश तैयारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, हिंदुस्तानी से पहला जो भी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, हिंदुस्तानी से पहला जो भी
What a beautiful performance by our little patriots. They dance with our hearts with pride, love and patriotism. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Please do.
Wasn't it nice to see parents? They quickly picked up the steps as soon as the song was changing. Well done, very good. India is our pride and our home. Today we celebrate the spirit of a nation that never stops growing. Progressive India is a story of dreams turning into reality. From science and technology to education and culture, our country is moving forward with pride. India today is strong, smart and shining across the world. Our young minds are the future of this progress. A big round of applause for our young speakers from Prep 1 Morning Batch. Yes. Sanj Agrawal, Vanshika Vanshani and Neil Kaure Joshi.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm proud to become my country, India. India is a beautiful country that is growing every day with modern roads, new technology, many get efficient. We believe in peace, unity, helping one another. My beautiful India, that we are Indians. It is my home. It is glowing. It is shining. Every day, look around us. We have tall buildings, fast cars, and wonderful schools. I promise to keep my country clean. I will not roll in death. I will always keep India with the sun. Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone. Mine is very old and very beautiful. There are many dances, songs, and festivals. We eat different foods like roti, idli, and sweets. We wear colorful clothes like sari and kurta. We say namaste and touch elders' feet. I'm proud of my Bharat. Jai Hind.
Today their excitement level was different because their parents are there. India is a nation that continues to grow, innovate, move forward with confidence. Thank you, Little Stars, for sharing such inspiring thoughts about progressive India. Our little playgroup Morning Stars will proudly step into the ramp on a special Pride of India ramp walk, celebrating the spirit of our nation. Dressed as brave freedom fighters and representing the national symbols of India, our young learners will showcase the unity, heritage and diversity that makes India truly special. Playgroup parents, I think first time you will see your children on the stage, so continue your applause, and even the Prep 1 parents continue their applause as and when they come on the stage. So I call upon Jeelan ma'am to take us forward.
Good morning, everyone. Independence Day is the time to celebrate the sacrifices of our national heroes and to recognize the importance of national symbols in fostering unity, patriotism, and a strong sense of national identity. Let us give a big round of applause to all our little learners proudly dressed as various national heroes and national symbols of India, and they celebrate the spirit of Independence Day. To begin with, let me call upon stage our little learner, Mitansh Mehta, confidently dressed as Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, a symbol of determination and dedication to the nation. learner Ishika Kandade, gracefully dressed as Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, known for her powerful work, patriotism and role in India's freedom struggle. Let's welcome our next little learner, Ivan Jha, proudly dressed as brave Indian soldier Mangal Pandey, who fought against the British rule in 1857. He was angry about the unfair treatment and the use of cartridges that hurt religious beliefs.
My name is Var. I am Mangal Pandey.
Now, it's time to call upon stage our next little learner, Shaisha Bilulkar, beautifully dressed as banyan tree, our national tree symbolizing immortal strength and deep roots in Indian culture. Our brave little learner, Agyai Wagmare, dressed as fearless freedom fighter Bhagat Singh, who inspired the nation with his courage and patriotism. He faced injustice and made his life for India's independence at a very young age. Moving ahead, let's call upon our little learner, Gianna Katua, beautifully dressed as Mother Teresa, a symbol of kindness, compassion, and selfless service to the humanity. She devoted her life to help poor and sick people. Let's call upon our next little learner, Agyan Devikar, charmingly dressed as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. We love children and believe they are the future of nation. That's why Children's Day is celebrated on his birthday.
This is Agyan, dressed as a Jawaharlal Nehru.
Now it's time to welcome our little queen, Avira Mittal, who reflects the character of a true rebel, Rani Lakshmibai, a brave queen of Jhansi who fought against the British rule in 1857. She was strong, fearless, and loved her country deeply. Let's welcome our next brave little learner, Jiyansh Prajapati, powerfully dressed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a fearless leader who led India's fight for freedom with unmatched courage. His famous words, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom," still inspire us. Now, let's welcome our sweet little learner, Tiara Gandhi, delightfully dressed as mango, the national fruit of India and a true symbol of taste and tradition. The mango is loved for its sweet taste and juicy flavor. Moving ahead, let's call upon our little learner, Anved Sinha, beautifully dressed as Father of Nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who led India to freedom with truth and non-violence. He believed in simple living and equal rights for all. Let's welcome our next little learner, Ishansh Bilore, proudly dressed as majestic national animal, the tiger, a symbol of strength, courage, and pride for our nation. Just like tiger, we must stand strong and fearless for our nation. On Independence Day, tiger reminds us of our responsibility to protect the nature and our heritage. symbol of beauty, grace, and pride. Peacock is often seen in Indian art, folk, and festivals. Next, let us warmly welcome our little learner, Adyami Rathod, gracefully dressed as Great Queen Ahilyabai Holkar, a symbol of wisdom, kindness, and fearless leadership. She is remembered as one of the India's most respected rulers, known for her justice, compassion, and dedication to the welfare of the people. She built many temples, road and public facilities to serve the society. Her life continues to inspire us to live with courage, humility, and selfless service.
She is Adyami, dressed up as a Punyashloka Ahilyabai Holkar.
Let us welcome. Let us welcome the last star of our dance walk, our energetic little learner, Tanaya Mehta. Let us welcome the last star of our rank walk, our energetic little learner, Tanaya Metal, proudly dressed as hockey player, a symbol of teamwork, determination, and sportsmanship. Wow, what a heartwarming initiative by all our little learners to celebrate the Independence Day and shine brightly in honoring of nation's freedom. The energy, the smiles, the spirit, everything was just perfect. Let us welcome all our little learners onto the stage with a huge round of applause as they proudly showcase the spirit of the nation through their wonderful portrayals. Thank you.
of our little ones. Our culture is deeply rooted in family values and the belief that unity in diversity is our greatest strength. By preserving our traditions while embracing progress, we continue to build a strong and proud nation. Let us celebrate India's rich heritage with pride and carry forward its timeless values for generations to come. Let's hear from our young speakers, Yumi Ambasha and Avni Sharma from Prep 1 Mid Morning.
India is a beautiful country that many cultures have treasured. People wear colorful clothes. We celebrate many festivals. We respect the other statues. India has many languages and religious food. People from different states and live together happily. We enjoy dancing, singing, and playing together. We learn to love, share, and care. Unity and diversity makes India special.
Thank you. Our culture is our identity, our heritage, and a treasure that we carry forward from one generation to another. Patriotism is a feeling that words alone cannot express. Sometimes it is best felt through music. To tell us more about the beautiful song our children are about to present, I invite Madhumita ma'am to come forward. Please.
Next on the stage are the adorable children of Prep 1A. The little patriots are all set to present a graceful dance on the patriotic song Vande Mataram. Dressed in the colors of our tricolor, the children are going to perform with great enthusiasm and passion in their hearts for our great country. Each step and smile will reflect their love, pride and respect for India. The children are performing in this dance are Ayushman Banerjee, Naksh Patil, Sanj Agarwal, Neil Joshi, Aheli Vedajna, Rida Jagdale, Sharvari Shinde, Divisha Kashyap, Divisha Mantu, Nihira Shastri, Renette Satsangi and Vihan Rathod. Let's welcome them with a loud applause.
all our wonderful performers for filling the stage with the spirit of patriotism and joy. Their ramp walk and dance performances truly reminded us that the pride of India lives in each one of us. Let's give everyone a big round of applause. As we come towards the conclusion of this beautiful celebration, it's time to express our gratitude to everyone who made this memorable event possible. Gratitude is the sweetest way to acknowledge the love, support and efforts that go into making every celebration special. To deliver the vote of thanks, I invite our confident speakers, Sheila Saxena and Adhira Mundra from Prep 2 to come forward and share their words of gratitude.
On this special occasion of Swaraj, we would like to express a heartfelt gratitude to all who made this celebration wonderful and memorable. We thank our respected director ma'am, teachers and parents for encouraging and guiding us always. A big thank you to all the students for their energetic performances and participation. The support made this event truly special. Thank you. We are also thankful to our support staff and admin department for their hard work behind the scene. Today we proudly celebrated the spirit of freedom, unity, love for our country. Let us always respect our nation and work together to make India proud. Thank you everyone for joining and making this celebration successful. Jai Hind.
Thank you children for the wonderful vote of thanks. As we come to the end of this memorable celebration, we carry with us beautiful memories, inspiring thoughts and patriotic spirit shared by our young performers today. To formally conclude this wonderful celebration and share a few words with us, I now invite our coordinator Vinaya ma'am to kindly come forward.
A very good morning and happy Independence Day to everyone. As we conclude our Swaraj celebration, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event a grateful success. A sincere thank to our director, Mrs. Saini Bhosle ma'am, our center head, Mrs. Yashashri Mori ma'am, for constant guidance and encouragement. Thank you all wonderful teachers for their dedication and enthusiastic efforts. A special thank you to Deacon teacher and our team for being ready to help and support us, and all our DDs for their dedication, beautiful decoration and valuable assistance. Finally, thank you to all parents and our lead staff for their joyful and memorable performance. Okay, before we discuss a small announcement for all the parents, snacks counters have been arranged in the admin area outside the school gate. So before you leave, you collect your child from respective class and then proceed to the snacks counter. Thank you once again and wish you a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. But I like to request you all to stand up for national anthem.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे
we wanted testimonials from our parents about the program and how you felt your child performing. So are there any volunteers to come on the stage? Yes, please. Yes. You can just